Hello everyone, welcome to this very simple tutorial on how to use pen tool in Figma. Now, if you ever use pen tool in other software such as Adobe Photoshop or Adobe Illustrator, you will know how to use pen tool. So this tutorial is definitely not for you. But if you never use pen tool, then this is how to use it. As you can see, first of all, right here you have pen tool, and as you can see you have drawing tools as well. You have pencil and pen. So we're going to be use pen tool right here, and as you can see right now we have pen tool right here. Now what we can do is right now we can click on it. So let's say we click here and we can drag a line right here. So this is basically how to create a straight line. Right now we can also do is we can go here and we can click and hold left mouse button and drag it up or drag it down. This is how we're creating the curves. Now, let's say we want to do this curve, and let's say we want to connect it to this one, but we don't want to connect it like this. We can go here and click on this middle with the left click, and now we can go here and connect it, and we can also hold left click and do it like this as well. And then we can back click it here. So as you can see, this is one of the way how you can do it with pen tool. Now you can obviously click here and that will create, as you can see, you can move this around. But if you want to make this a component, you can click done, create component, and now this is a component. It will be black. You can also put a fill, I think, with yeah, you can put a fill if you want. But if you don't want, you can put it transparent. Also section colors, we can put it white right here. Now we have it white. But this is basically how to customize it, right? But as you can see with pen tool, if you click here, if you go here, this is basically the center. And then we can also create a lot of different things like this, right? For example, we can create like this. We can create, let's say we want to create something like we click left click here. We basically go here and then hold and click left click right here, as you can see, and then we put it here, and then we make it like this, right? And then we make it like this again, and this is basically how you can use it, right? And then let's say here, and then we're going to make it like this, right? So this is basically how to use pen tool, right? It's very simple. Now what I would do if I were you, I would go on Google and I would type in pen tool basically, and then I would type in pen tool drawings, shapes, and then what I would do is I would go to images, and here what I would do is I would, let's say, go here, and let's say I want to use an image that is a little bit less complex, right? Let's say this one, right? We copy this image, and let's say we go here and delete this, we paste this image here, or we can actually place it, right? We need to place it. So we go here, save, drag and drop it right here. As you can see right now, we can practice pen tool here. So what we can do is we can go to the pen tool, and then we can click here, right? We can click here and we can create this shape right here, as you can see here. We click here. We can click this shape right here, which is, it's actually not going to be here, so we can put it right here, like this. Or actually, my bad, what we can do here is we can go like this, and then you can pretty much see that I'm struggling with this one, but I can go here, and then I can drag this down like this, and I can pretty much do it like this, and then again drag it a little bit down, and now I have this. Now I can go here and I can go here like this, and then I can, this is all with left click, by the way. Click here, and then we can connect this right here. So now we have a shape, right? Now if we basically remove this image behind, right, we will have a shape right here, which is basically a great shape. So this is basically how I would practice pen tool and how I would use pen tool in Figma. If you have any questions or comments, comment down below and we'll see you in the next video. But until then, thank you guys for watching.